Geological time scale is a table showing the sequence of geological periods in the history of Earth. It also shows the lengths of time different geological periods are assumed to have occupied. It is measured in millions of years. It has been constructed by studying rock strata, where these have been exposed by excavations or mining, or where rivers have not cut deeply into the Earth's crust. Scientists have proved that lower the rock layer, the older it is and the more ancient are the fossils it contains. With knowledge of rate of erosion and deposition, the intervals occupied by different periods can be estimated roughly by measuring the relative thickness of the rock strata. Paleobotany is the study of fossil plants. A fossil plant is the remains of or traces of a once living plant. Elbe 2006. Fossil plants are generally found buried below ground. Paleobotanical information is used to unreveal the evolutionary history of plant taxa in both time and space. It is employed also as a benchmark in phylogenetic studies. Geological time scale is a record of Earth's history based on the organisms that lived at different times. The geological time scale is a system of chronological measurement that related stratigraphy, the study of rock strata, especially the distribution, deposition and age of sedimentary rocks, to time, and is used by the geologists, paleontologists and other earth scientists to describe the time and relationship between the events that have occurred throughout Earth's history. The first geological time scale was proposed in 1913 by the British geologist Arthur Holmes 1890–1965. This was soon after the discovery of the radioactivity, and using it Holmes estimated that the Earth was about 4 billion years old. Evidence from radioactive dating indicates that Earth is about 4.5 million years old. This was much greater than previously believed. By the technique of radiometric dating, that is by measuring the rates of decay of radioactive materials in the rocks, more accurate dating can now be provided. The Earth has been estimated to be about 4,600 million years old. Life is believed to have originated about 3,000 to 3,500 million years ago on the Earth. Major divisions and subdivisions of geological time scale. Geological time scale has been divided into some major divisions called eras. Each era has been divided into periods, which are then subdivided into epochs. Different periods are recognized mainly on the basis of changes in composition of fossils and the occurrence of major geological events, that is, episodes of mountain buildings or major changes in level of seas. The earliest era is Precambrian, which began about 4,600 million years ago. It has few fossils. Abundant fossils have been reported in the succeeding eras, that is Paleozoic, Mesozoic and Cenozoic. Geological eras. A geological era is a very long division of geological time, lasting tens of millions of years. Its beginning and end are recognized by major changes in layers of rocks and fossils in the earth. As mentioned above, the earliest era is Precambrian. It began about 4,600 millions of years ago. Its duration has 4,030 millions of years. Paleozoic era began about 570 millions of years ago. Mesozoic era began about 225 millions of years ago. Cenozoic is the most recent era. It began about 65 million years ago after the Mesozoic era, and it's still continuing. Eras are divided into periods and epochs. Geological periods. A geological era is divided further into several subdivisions called periods. So, a period is a major subdivision of a geological era. Major periods of Paleozoic era are Permian, Carboniferous, Devonian, Silurian, Ordovician and Cambrian. Mesozoic era is divided into three periods, that is Cretaceous, Jurassic and Triassic. Similarly, Cenozoic era is divided into two periods, that is Quaternary and Tertiary. The oldest known period of geological time scale is Cambrian, that is began about 570 million years ago, while the most recent period is Quaternary, that began about 2.5 million years ago. Periods are divided into epochs. Geological epochs. A subdivision of a geological period is called a geological epoch. Recently, Pleistocene, Pliocene, Miocene, Oligocene, Eocene and Paleocene are the epochs of periods. Quaternary and Tertiary are of Cenozoic era. Major events of geological time scale. Bryophytes evolved on the earth during the Silurian period of Paleozoic era, that is between 395 to 430 million years ago and are still surviving. Pteridophytes evolved sometime in Silurian, dominated the earth during Carboniferous and are still surviving. Gymnosperms evolved sometime at the end of Triassic period, that is about 225 million years ago. Mesozoic era dominated the earth sometime during Paleocene epoch, that is about 65 million years ago and are still surviving. Angiosperms evolved during Jurassic period of Mesozoic era and are now dominating the earth in the recent epoch of Quaternary period of Cenozoic era. Thanks.